Hello, we are back. Right, so the one we were supposed to get in the mystery, one of them we were supposed to get in the mystery box. Not the mystery box, why do I keep saying that? The package we got, not yesterday. Wednesday. It's finally turned up. This one we've ordered from Bitey Things. What's this? Ah, that's an order notice. Chuck that down. Newspaper. Hey, got a sticker. Newspaper. Oh my god. It's massive. It's a newspaper as well. Put that down so I can put my newspaper in there. There's a tarantula burger. The heat pack is cold. Oh yeah. It's normally warm. Tarantula burger. Opening up a tarantula burger. And we got more newspaper. For God's sake. Alright. You know what? I'll just tear it open. There we go. Another box in a box. Great. Right, let me just open this box and then I'll do handheld mode. Wrong bit of sellotape. Right, there it is. Oh, I thought it would be bigger than that. Just double checking. Mother! Actually, I do guess it would be this size. Yeah. Oh, there we are. Yep, that's the correct one. Yep, guys, just for my safety, I'm going to put it there. Oops, actually chipped one of my strings. I'm going to shut the gates. It's tiny! I wouldn't say that's 5 to 6 centimeters. And where are my other tongs? I've lost my other tongs. I was going to use them to help me open this. I found it. Yo, look at that. Yep, you're still alive. Perfect. Now for my safety. No. Look at that. Where did he go? Oh, he's gone all the way back, all the way over there. Well, I hope you will like his new enclosure. To be honest, I thought it would be bigger. Anyway, I'll be back and see you guys.